Do you wonder what your dreams mean and why you had that random thing in your dream last night? That's one of the most difficult things about dream interpretation is trying to understand what the symbolic and archetypal meaning is about each particular item in your dream. Certainly there's plenty of online dream dictionaries and you can look things up, but it doesn't take into account your particular history, your particular psyche, and what's going on in your life right now that made your dream choose to put that particular thing in your dream last night. The biggest mistake we can make is becoming too literal with the dream symbols. Like, for instance, in Jung's last work, Mysterium Conjunctionis, Jung wrote, "The modern unconscious has little use for sun and moon symbolism. Illumination can be expressed just as well or even better in modern dreams by turning on a light switch." Now, I disagree a bit that people dream about sun and moon all the time. It's still quite relevant because we all still experience those. But the point is really valid that a light is a light. And there's a light that can be connected to the sun, and there's a light that can be connected to the moon. And we have to discern what is the archetypal nature of the light in our dream. So when you've gone about as far as you can go with your own dream interpretation, and you're ready to have somebody help guide you through the process, reach out, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be giving more tips on how to connect deeper with your own psyche.